For decades, CorelDRAW has earned one of the most loyal followings in design, and that loyalty isn't accidental. Designers trust CorelDRAW because it allows them to work with precision, speed, and complete creative control. With powerful new features, especially AI tools, this release amplifies what you already do best. The AI doesn't replace your creativity, it accelerates it. From faster ideation to smarter edits and cleaner results, you're free to focus on design that stands out. Welcome to what's new in CorelDRAW Graphics Suite, where experience meets what's next. The new and innovative AI Generate Docker empowers you to conjure up images from text prompts, add a reference image, and fine-tune your masterpiece by selecting your preferred style, color palette, and the exact number of images you wish to produce. These two icons on the left will enable us to create either a new prompt-generated image, or we can remix an existing image, again using prompts. We'll start by choosing an AI model to generate our image. Let's design a logo for a vegetarian restaurant that I'm planning to open. The more exact my prompt, the better the result. Let's click Generate. And here are the 6 logo variations I asked for. A second workflow is included in the AI Generate Docker, Remix Image. We can remix images using prompts with imported images as the source file, or using images contained within the document itself. Or we can generate an image from scratch using AI and remix that further. Now that I've decided which logo I want to use for my cafe, I can use the AI Remix Image command to create mock-ups of my logo in a real-world scenario. I'll start by clicking on the Remix Image icon at the top of the Docker, and click in the source field to bring in the logo from my document. Now I'll add my prompt, and click on Generate. This is a great result. Being able to remove the background from images is important, because it helps isolate the subject, creating cleaner, more professional visuals that are easier to reuse across different designs, such as marketing, e-commerce, and branding. Manually removing backgrounds can be time-consuming because it requires precise, detailed work around edges, fine textures, and transparency, often taking significant time per image. Both CorelDRAW and Corel Photo Paint include the new AI-powered Remove Background feature. In layered documents, single images or layers can be selected, and with a right-click, the background removed. In CorelDRAW, with an image selected, click either on the Remove Background icon on the property bar, or use the command Bitmaps Remove Background. Another repetitive task that can become very time-consuming when done manually is selecting a subject within an image, especially when adjustments or special effects are needed. The new AI Mask from Subject command uses artificial intelligence to automatically identify and select the subject, making it particularly effective for hard-to-isolate details such as human hair or other fine, intricate elements. I'll turn on the mask overlay first so that we can see which areas have been masked. Let's quickly select our subject. With our subject now selected, I'll copy the selection and paste it onto a new, more dramatic background. Shift the focus back to creativity and process background removal of multiple images in seconds, instead of spending time on technical cleanup. Some of CorelDRAW's most impactful AI features have been quietly at work for years, operating behind the scenes to make everyday tasks faster and more reliable. In Corel PowerTrace, AI-driven upsampling and JPEG artifact removal are perfect examples of this under-the-hood intelligence. While users may not always think of them as AI tools, they rely on advanced analysis to interpret image data and make smart decisions automatically. This image of a tree frog is low-res. If we zoom in, we can see blocks of colored pixels, and around the edges of the frog, we have a lot of JPEG artifacts, or noise. With the image selected, I'll click on Trace Bitmap and choose Outline Trace, Clip Art. I'll adjust the trace settings to not remove the background to get a basic trace. As we can see, due to the low quality of the image, the result is quite blocky. Let's go to the Adjustments tab and check Photorealistic. This is an improvement, but we can go one better. Let's check the Remove JPEG Artifacts box. AI upsampling is critical when working with low-resolution artwork, logos, or scans that need to be converted into clean, scalable vector graphics. JPEG artifact removal plays an equally important role by reducing compression noise, blockiness, and color banding, common issues in web or legacy images, so the AI can trace clean forms instead of unwanted visual clutter, while reducing the number of colors at the same time. Now we can see a clear difference to our original trace, with much smoother edges and fewer objects. Together, these technologies ensure higher quality vector results, less manual cleanup, and a smoother workflow that designers can trust, even when starting with less than perfect source material. What makes CorelDRAW's AI truly powerful is that it works with designers, not over them. Whether it's powerful new tools you can see or intelligent features quietly working in the background, CorelDRAW's AI saves time and elevates results rather than replacing them, so users can move faster, work smarter, and push their creative output further than ever before.